Does it feel awkward giving people compliments? Yeah, does it? Who gives a shit? Does it feel awkward brightening someone's day? Does it feel awkward making someone's year, potentially? Like, you know, especially men. Most men don't get compliments all that often, you know? And you really can make their year, definitely their day, by giving them a compliment, you know? It's just like, it's such a good, simple, easy way to connect with someone, right? And what, you feel awkward doing it, so what? So, like, can't you take that risk? Just take the risk of feeling a bit awkward, because the reward is worth so much more than the pain of feeling awkward for giving someone a compliment, you know? Spread some love, you know what I'm saying? Spread some love. It's always worth it. And learn how to take a compliment as well, you know? Just say thank you. Don't try to contradict a person by being like, oh, I disagree. In fact, I'm a piece of shit, in case you didn't know. Don't do that. Just say thank you. Yeah. All right.